Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of math this week. And this morning we're going to go ahead and kick off our math lesson, going over our calendar and our months of the year, and then we're going to do some counting. Before we do all that though, let's go ahead and go over our months of the year. Here we go. Please follow along in 3, 2, 1. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha-cha-cha. Fantastic work, my friends. Fantastic work. Yes, those were our 12 months of the year. And if you'll notice, we are in the 9th month. We are in September. September. Yes, because last month was the 8th month, August. The next month will be October, the 10th month, but right now we are in the 9th month. Huzzah! Let's go ahead and go over our 7 days of the week. Now, as always, we're going to do this to the tune of the Addams Family, so please feel free to clap, feel free to stomp, feel free to click. If you want to try to tap your elbows together, that's cool. It's entirely up to you. Just please sing along with us as we go. Get ready. Get set. Go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Oh, very nice, my friends. Very nice. Huzzah! Good work. Good work. Yes, those were our 7 days of the week. And as always, I'm going to remind you, we only go to school for 5 of those days. It would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Those are the 5 days. But normally, we get 2 days off. That would be Saturday and that would be Sunday. And you can tell those days here on our list because they are the ones that are yellow. Okay. Speaking of yellow, if we go ahead and look over here at our calendar, we will see that today we are on the day of Thursday. We've plugged in a new number. We are on Thursday, the 10th of September today, my friends. So if I was to say the date as a whole, all together, I would say today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. I have said the day, I have said the month, and I have said the year. Those are the most important things to remember when you're saying the date or writing the date. So, good on you for going over that with me. Let's go ahead and talk about our yesterday was, today is, and tomorrow will be chart. Well, we already know the middle one here is our today is. It's what's happening right now. Today is right now. And today is Thursday, okay? Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday means it already happened. It's done. It's gone. Get out of here. Okay? We've karate kicked it to the curb. We then have tomorrow. Tomorrow means it hasn't happened yet. And tomorrow will be Friday. Now, we've had Fridays before. We've had Fridays in the past. But tomorrow's Friday. We haven't had that yet. That's why it's tomorrow, okay? So Friday will be tomorrow. We also know this because if we look at the calendar here, we'll see that this Friday does not have a number in there yet. We haven't gotten there, all right? Now, the past couple of days, you guys have been helping me count, all right? And it has been fantastic. Thank you so much. We're going to try something a little different today. And instead of counting regularly by ones, and by ones I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's counting by ones. All we're doing is adding a number every time we're saying a new number, okay? Instead of doing that though, we're going to count by 5s, okay? So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to start at 5, and then we're going to go to 10, and then we're going to go to 15, and then 20, and then 25, and then 30, and 35, and then 40, and then 45, and then 50. Okay, we're only going to go to 50 today. We're just practicing counting by 5s because I know you guys were working on this in kindergarten. I don't know how far you got, And I don't want to push you guys too hard right now, but it is something we do need to practice. So, in just a moment, when I say go, we're going to get started on this. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's get ready. Let's get set. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, stop. That wasn't so hard. That was easy. That took us like 5 seconds. Let's try this again. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Ready? Set. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Craziness! That's so fast counting by 5s. Oh my goodness. That was good. Good work, guys. Good work. All right. Well, that's it for our morning meeting right now. If you please go ahead and go grab your packets, go grab your pencils. If you're doing this on the computer, get ready to click around. We're going to go ahead and get started with our math for the day. I'll see you in just a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our last math assignment for the week. And this one is not really a lesson, but rather it's an assessment, it's a test to see how well we've been doing with the work that we've been doing the last few weeks, okay? Before we really focus on what's going to happen, though, we need to focus on putting our name. So if you are at home with your paper packet, please write your name. If you are at home but you're on the computer, please type your name, okay? Nine, 10, 20. I have used digits to write our date. We are looking at the 9th month, which is September, the 10th day, and 20 is the year, 2020. 9, 10, 20. Okay. So since this is our first major assessment, I know we did one a week or so back. It was just a, oh, dropped my pencil, guys, sorry. I know we did an assessment a week or so ago where it was just simple addition. Well, this one not only has addition on it, you'll see it at the bottom, but it also has the stuff we've been doing with clocks. It's talking about birthdays. We've talked about that a little bit. We've talked about some patterns a little bit, and we're filling in missing numbers. If you are doing this in Schoology, you will notice there are a bunch of pictures and blocks all over your page. Do not worry about it. Most of those are things you can either move around or things that you type in. If you're doing this at home, you will have none of that, so don't worry about it, okay? All right. But for our assessments, what happens is I'm going to read the questions to you. I will not walk you through how to solve them. I will not give you the answers. All right? That kind of defeats the purpose of an assessment. These tests are made so I can see what you are pulling from our lessons and keeping with you. They also tell me what we might still need to work on later. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to read the questions to you slowly. I'll read them 2 times each, and then we'll move on. The great thing about not doing this in class, and instead you're watching a YouTube video, is you can pause the video and take as much time as you need. All right. The last thing I want you to do is feel rushed. I want you to do your best work, not your rushed work. Okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and look at number 1. All right. Number 1 has to do with our birthday graph. So if you need to grab it real quick, please do so. If you are on Schoology and you need to click to it real quick, that is absolutely fine too. Okay, it is there. I uploaded it. You should be able to find it. If you can't, please ask a parent to help you look around for it, or let me know and I will tell you how to get to it. But yes, you're going to need your birthday graph. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to read the question twice. We're We're going to take a second, and then we're going to move on. Here we go. Use the class birthday graph to answer the questions. Your first question. How many children have birthdays in September? How many children have birthdays in September? If you need help looking for the month of September, this is how you spell it right here. Look for that on the graph. Okay, next question while you're finishing that one up. If you need to pause the video, please do so. Which month has the most birthdays? Which month has the most birthdays? So I know that a lot of them have the same number. All you need to do is pick one. Okay, you don't have to write down all of the months that have the same number. Just pick one. Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 2. Number 2 is a little tricky because if you're doing this in Schoology, you will not be able to draw the pattern, but I have put pictures off to the side that you can click and drag over to complete the pattern. Okay? For everybody else at home, what we need to do is continue the repeating pattern. Your pattern starts square, circle, square, circle, and then you need to finish it. What would come after that circle? I'll say the pattern one more time. Square, circle, square, circle. What's going to come next? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move on. Again, if you need to pause the video, please do so. There's no rush. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? Number 3. What number is 1 more than 34? What number is 1 more than 34? Next question. What number is 1 less than 54? What number is 1 less than 54? If you need a reminder, less means take away. Okay. Next question. Write the digital time. Write the digital time. Make sure you're looking at your clock. Your hour hand, the short hand, is pointing at a number, and your minute hand, the long hand, is pointing at a number. So what would that number be? What would the hour be over here in the digital area? Number 5. Your job is going to be to fill in the missing numbers. So you have a number chart here from 1 to 30, but you are missing quite a few of the numbers. You need to fill in the missing numbers. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom problems. Again, don't feel rushed. After this video is over, you can go back and fill in the missing numbers if you need to. Number 6. Find the sums. If you don't remember, the sum is the answer you get from adding numbers together. That's what the sum is. So you're going to find me the sum for these problems. You have 2 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 3 plus 3, and 6 plus 6. Those problems again are 2 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6. While you are finishing everything up, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or you are having problems with this on Schoology, please let me know, and I will do my best to help out. But remember, I cannot help solve the actual math problems on the worksheet. Okay? This is a test, so we have to treat it as such. That means I got to see what you can do on your own. I can't help you with it on this one. But good work this week, guys. You've worked very hard. I'm very proud of you. And, you know, stay strong, stay safe. I'll see you next week, guys. Have a good weekend.